Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your device can run AR services and clearing blockers. First, check compatibility and Android version. Incompatible firmware prevents installation. Once confirmed, free at least 500 MB and make sure Play Store and Google Services Framework are enabled because without them updates fail. Next, connect to stable Wi-Fi and sign into your main Google account so downloads don't stall. After these steps, you're ready to search for the correct Play services for AR package and begin the install process. You'll install and configure the service now. Open Play Store, update it, then install Play services for AR so the OS exposes AR features. This is the supported path for most users. If Play Store blocks the package, you may need to sideload the matching APK for your device ABI, ARM64 versus ARMY by V7A, so matching builds matter. Once installed, reboot the device to let services register and immediately grant camera, motion sensor, and location permissions because AR needs those to function reliably. Finish by validating AR behavior with a simple test app. Check that tracking, relocalization, and plane detection work. If things go wrong, clear cache for Play Store, Google Play Services, and the AR app, then reassign permissions and reboot. If problems persist, reinstall the latest AR APK that matches your firmware. Make sure to enable developer logging so you capture diagnostics. This helps pinpoint sensor, permission, or compatibility errors quickly and lets you roll back any recent system updates that could have broken support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.